Welcome back, aliens. Today I'm going to show you on how to download the Aadhaar paperless offline eKYC services through Uday portal. Okay, so in this video I'm going to explain on how to download the details required for offline eKYC services. And this video also will be helpful if you are looking for what is offline eKYC and how do you generate and use the Aadhaar paperless offline eKYC. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to go to the Uday web portal called as uday.government.in. Here you can see My Aadhaar. So if you mouse over that, you can see many tabs: Get Aadhaar, Update Your Aadhaar, and you can see one more tab, something like Aadhaar Services. Under that Aadhaar Services, you can see one option called as Aadhaar Paperless Offline eKYC. Currently, it's a beta version, and if you click that, it will be navigated to that offline KYC link. Yeah, here they have provided all the details related to that offline eKYC, and that offline eKYC is something like a secured shareable document and which can be used by Aadhaar holder for offline verification. Means in terms of if online services is not available at any point, at that time we can use this as a offline eKYC services. And to do this offline eKYC, we must need three details. The first one is a Aadhaar zip file, and second one is a share code, and third one is a registered mobile number. And here I am going to share and how to do this first share code and zip file. If you are having these two details, you can do that eKYC services through offline. Okay. To download that two details, you must need your Aadhaar number or virtual ID and your registered phone number is with you. So I am just proceeding with my Aadhaar number. And entering the captcha and clicking the send OTP, and OTP is sent to my registered mobile number. I have entered that OTP received in my registered phone number. I'm just clicking the download button, and if you click download, it is asking to create the share code for your paperless offline eKYC. So the thing why it is required is whatever that the secured code that you are mentioning is here, so that will be linked to your Aadhaar number, and this will be updated in Uday Center. That is why it is asking to enter that share code here. So I'm just entering that 4-digit share code. So this you can configure. So this share code you have to enter it as a password, something like this can be entered anything, that it's a 4-digit share code. So this share code you can provide any 4-digit numeric numbers. And after entering that share code, I'm just clicking that download button. And finally, if you see here, a zip file got downloaded. So this zip file only we need to share it with the service provider who needs our KYC. So I got my share code here, and I got my zip file here, and I have my registered phone number. So these three information we have to share it with the service providers. Please note that the share code is a user defined one, so it is not any predefined values. The 4-digit share code that we have to enter it as a new code, and this you should be keep in mind, and this should be shared when a service provider is requesting your KYC services. Okay, and this zip file will contain a specific XML, and that will be opened if you provide that specific share code, and that XML will have a specific encrypted code, so that code will be used as a KYC for your registered things. Okay, so this is the purpose of using offline KYC. And here if you note down, we have not shared our Aadhaar number is with a service provider. Instead of that, we are sharing our that zip file and the share code. So this they can use it as a KYC, and that will be linked to our Aadhaar services. Okay, hope it helps you, and see you again with another interesting